Hi, I'm Alan from Alpus Group, which was established in Slovenia in 2015. We can operate in any EU country as well as in the UK and beyond those boundaries. Our mission is to provide a service to property owners to optimise the value of their properties and also to investors to maximise their return on investment. So why should you listen to me? I've got a background in construction and property development as well as infrastructure development going back more than 40 years. I've worked for contractors, consultants, clients on projects of all types from the smallest to the largest being $1.5 billion. These have been residential, commercial, hotels, retail, mixed use and infrastructure projects, roads and railways, port and land reclamation in the UK and across the world. I've worked in the UK, UAE, in France, in Botswana, the Bahamas. I've worked in Azerbaijan and in Macedonia on all these different types of projects. So I've written a book about my experience of project delivery, and it's called Project Deliverance, the 20 Key Factors for Project Success or Failure, which is available on Amazon. And I don't want that you make the same mistakes as some clients and their consultants have made. So I've prepared a course which is available. It's available in 5 stages. It's called Property Development Success. The first stage is site sourcing, so we can identify for you and show you how to find the right sites depending on what your strategy is, whether you're looking for HMOs or serviced accommodation, whether you're looking for hotel sites, retail sites, commercial sites, industrial sites. So that's stage 1, is to identify the sites that you want to potentially develop and evaluate whether they're worth pursuing. Stage 2 is to carry out a feasibility and an evaluation on the site that you choose and just check whether the figures work. So you need to carry out a concept design usually. Maybe it would be 2 or 3 concept designs at this preliminary stage. Evaluate what is the favoured option in terms of moving forward, and then decide on what the site is worth based on the gross development value and all the necessary costs and the permissions and the risks associated with developing the site, and then putting your offer in. Point 3, third stage, is the planning permission and securing the site. If the site has planning permission, then you can go ahead and make an offer at the appropriate level, depending on the gross development value that you calculate in stage 2. If the site doesn't have planning permission, you may have permitted development rights, in which case you can evaluate whether to make an offer because you're confident that you can get the permitted development rights. If you're not confident and you have to get the planning permission, then you need to make an offer conditional upon securing the planning permission, because what you don't want is that you secure a site that subsequently then doesn't get the planning permission that achieves the required gross development value. So there are a lot of checks and balances built into our process. So you ensure that you keep the risks to the minimum, and you ensure that you only expend money at the time you need to, and we use mechanisms such as exchange and delayed completion to ensure that the cash flow is to the best advantage for yourself. So stage 4 is sales and marketing. So this is because we need to look at the exit route from the project. Are you looking to rent these properties, or are you looking to sell them? So that's essentially the decision that you need to make. And you may have a number of options that you'd ideally like to sell them, but maybe if you can't sell them, you will rent them. So that's why sales and marketing is the next focus. And you can actually start marketing at a very early stage. You can market off plan before you've actually implemented the project, and this will aid your cash flow. So finally, stage 5 is the design and construction. So this is the nuts and bolts of transferring the site from a low value, if it's an undeveloped site or if it's a brownfield site, creating something on the site that has a lot of value. So this involves all of the things that we've spoken about in other videos, such as the health and safety requirements, the quality control, the systems, the appointing the right designers and contractors in the right order. So there are checks and balances, systems and processes that you need to follow. And we go through all of these systems and processes. And we also go through different methods of construction, which can save you time and therefore save you money. So under design and construction, we will cover modern methods of construction. So this is essentially building modules in a factory. You prepare the foundations on site while the factory modules are being prepared, and you bring the modules to site and you lift them into place on pre-prepared foundations. So this can save you a lot of money and time, and essentially it caters for the best quality and safety control as well, because if you're preparing a building in factory conditions, then it's a much better environment to carry work out in. You're not carrying work out in the open air, you're not carrying work out on a site where it may be difficult to achieve quality control because you've got people working in rooms and carrying out installations which may be incorrect and need to be corrected. So usually factory prepared modules are fully quality controlled before they leave the factory, obviously, and this is a better solution and a quicker solution. So all of these aspects, stage 1, the site sourcing, stage 2, the project evaluation and feasibility, stage 3, the planning permission, the permitted development, and then securing the site, the actual acquisition of the site, we go through in stage 3. Stage 4, sales and marketing, depending on the exit route, and then stage 5, how to actually deliver the job, the nuts and bolts of the design and construction. All these things we go through in our property development success course. And if you're interested to know more about this course, then you can call me, that's Alan, at Alpus Group on 07539 141257. If you're calling from outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257, or you can call me on 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, it's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. We've also put a link in the video below where you can click and you can actually purchase this course directly. You can purchase the whole course at £397, or you can purchase a module, which is the site sourcing module, for just £100, and then you can decide whether you want to proceed with the rest of the course. And we can offer another option, which is to support you over a 3-month period while you secure a deal in whatever strategy you're looking for. And this supported option is available for £1,997, and it enables you to have email and one-to-one support with me over that 3-month period to ensure that you get success. So you're basically guaranteed success from your property development investment. Okay, you've got the contact details, so look forward to hearing from you if it's of interest. Cheers for now.